Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for the workshop on how ONLYOFFICE editors can enhance your administrative workflow in educational institutions. My name is Maria. I'm the head of the training group at ONLYOFFICE, and I'm excited to guide you through the various tools and features that ONLYOFFICE offers to help educational institutions streamline their administrative processes. We understand that challenges administrators face in managing paperwork, communication, and data handling. With ONLYOFFICE, these tasks can become more efficient, organized, and less time-consuming. Imagine the time saved when administrative forms are digitized, communication is personalized and automated, and data collection is standardized. These efficiencies allow administrators to focus on more strategic tasks that contribute to the institution's growth. We will specifically focus on 4 pivotal features that stand as pillars of efficient administration: ONLYOFFICE Form Creator, Mail Merge, Data Validation, and Document Access Levels. Without further ado, let's get to it. So let's begin exploring the Form Creator's potential in education. It's a powerful tool for streamlining administrative processes in schools, from announcements to permissions and other essential forms, revolutionizing data collection and feedback. Picture this scenario. You are an administrator seeking to gather permission slips for an upcoming school event. With ONLYOFFICE editors at your disposal, you can effortlessly design and customize forms with specific fields tailored to your needs, such as student name, parents' contact, and consent options. To begin, create a new form by clicking here and choosing the form template option from the list. You can create a new form template from blank or from your already existing text document. Please note that the interface depends on the platform you are going to integrate ONLYOFFICE editors with, such as Moodle, Camilo, or other learning management systems. Then choose the desired question types. You can make use of the text field, combo box, drop-down list, checkbox, radio button, images, email addresses, phone numbers, date and time, zip code, credit card, and complex fields. So what's more, you can customize each field on the right side panel when you click on it, and the right side panel will be activated. For instance, if you want to share the same form with both students and their parents, but you want them to fill out different fields, you can specify who needs to fill out certain fields by adding roles. You can click here on the Manage Roles button and add a new role. Then on the right side panel, you will be able to choose who need to fill out this form by clicking like this, and the field will be highlighted. Collaboration is at the core of ONLYOFFICE, and our form creator is no exception. Multiple team members can collaborate on the same form simultaneously, making it easy to design and update forms collectively. Sharing a form template is a seamless process. You have to click on the Share button in the right upper corner. Then a sharing window will appear, allowing you to set permissions for the template. You can specify who can view, edit, or comment on your template, tailoring access to your collaboration needs. Moreover, you can generate a shareable link by clicking here. And for security measures, you can generate a password for entering a template and limit your link by time. Once shared, all collaborators with the appropriate permissions can access and work on the template simultaneously, ensuring real-time updates. With ONLYOFFICE editors, you can track changes and revisions using the version history feature located in the Collaboration tab here. It allows you to review the evolution of the form template, making it easy to restore previous versions if needed. By the way, to learn more about the form creator in detail and its collaboration options in specific, sign up for our training course. You will find the link in the description box. Now, what do we do once the form template is ready? We need to share the result with the students or their parents, as we don't want them to make changes in the original form template. We save it as an all-form file by clicking here, or you can also save it as a PDF. You have to go to the File tab and click the Download As or Save Copy As and choose the needed format. Then you can assign the form filling access level if you save your file as an all form by clicking here and choosing the form filling access level. The result will look like this. By the way, don't forget to check out our ready to fill out forms in our form library. Again, you will find the link in the description box. So ONLYOFFICE stands as an indispensable tool empowering educators and administrators to gather, analyze, and act upon valuable data effortlessly. Our mission is to ensure that educational institutions embrace this tool and optimize their administrative process and create an enriching learning environment. Now let's move on to explore the mail merge feature in the ONLYOFFICE document editor, a functionality that saves your time when it comes to efficient communication with educational institutions. Imagine that you are an academic coordinator tasked with sending out personalized congratulatory letters to all the honor roll students. Instead of crafting individual letters manually, you can use the mail merge feature in the ONLYOFFICE document editor to automate this task. Begin by preparing a data source. It must be an XLSX file, and the spreadsheet should have a header row with the column titles, as values in the first cell of each column will designate merge fields. Each column should contain a set of actual values for a variable. Each row in the spreadsheet should correspond to a separate record or a set of values that belong to a certain recipient. During the merge process, a copy of the main document will be created, and each merge field inserted in the main text will be replaced with an actual value from the corresponding column. And if you are going to send results by email, the spreadsheet must contain a column with the recipient's email addresses. Then create a template letter in ONLYOFFICE document editor, incorporating merge fields for the variable information such as student names, achievements, or any other personalized details. Then access the mail merge feature in the Home tab. In the mail merge window, connect your template document to the data source and once the data source is loaded, the mail merge setting window will be available on the right sidebar. Now verify or change the recipient lists. Next, link the placeholders in your template with the appropriate fields from your data source. For instance, link the recipient's name placeholder in the document to the corresponding column in your data source. ONLYOFFICE document editor will automatically generate personalized letters for each honor roll student by pulling the information from your data source, populating the placeholders in the template. You will have a set of individualized letters ready for preview. You can preview them to ensure accuracy and make changes if necessary. You can highlight merge fields and preview them one by one. So you can save the result as a PDF or a docx file to print it or edit it later. If you use OnlyOffice Workspace and your email account is connected, you can then start mass mailing. The mail merge feature in OnlyOffice Document Editor significantly optimizes your workflow by enabling the swift creation of personalized documents. Say goodbye to the tedious and time-consuming process of crafting individual documents. Embrace mail merge for seamless, personalized communication. Moving forward, let's discover data validation. Establishing robust data validation mechanisms with drop-down lists and data entry rules in spreadsheets is pivotal for standardized data collection. Let's envision a scenario where you, as an administrator, are entrusted with gathering vital data concerning student preferences, dietary restrictions, or specific requirements. The need for accurate data in such cases is paramount. This is precisely what the data validation feature proves its worth. Now let's move on to the nitty-gritty of setting up these validations. For instance, in the context of gathering student preferences, we can create a drop-down list with various subjects or extracurricular activities. This not only simplifies the data entry process, but also minimizes errors, as only the available options can be selected. Now, open your spreadsheet in OnlyOffice, create a list of options on one of the sheets, then select the cells where you want the drop-down list to appear, go to the Data tab and click on the Data Validation option. Then in the Settings window, in the Allow menu, choose the needed option. In our case, it will be the list option. Then check the Show drop-down list in cell box if you want the options to be visible when you click on a cell. Provide the source of information by selecting the date range and click OK. Then in the input message section, create a customized message displayed when a user hovers their mouse pointer over the cell. In the error alert section, you can specify the message displayed when the data given by users does not meet the validation rules. Then click OK to apply the validation. Now, when someone inputs the data in the specified cells, they can only choose from the provided list, ensuring accuracy and consistency. By implementing data validation in these specific scenarios, you'll witness firsthand how this feature significantly improves the efficiency and reliability of data collection. Finally, we have the crucial element of document permission access levels, an aspect that should never be underestimated in the realm of educational document management. Controlling access to sensitive documents is not just a matter of security, it's a matter of responsible information governance. I've already mentioned several access levels in the form creator, so let's take a look at other access levels. Again, to share a document, click on the Share button in the upper right corner, or go to the Collaboration tab and click on the Sharing button. Choose the needed person from the list, or create an external link by clicking here. So if you need to share some important policy documents with all staff members, choose the read-only access level. Users with this access level can view the content but cannot make any modifications. You can prohibit printing, downloading, and copying the file for this access level in the advanced settings. So let's imagine that that a curriculum coordinator has to review a proposed curriculum document submitted by a teacher. If the teacher shares the document with the comment access level, then the coordinator can add comments and suggest improvements to provide feedback without directly editing the document. This access level can be useful when giving feedback or suggestions. To add a comment, select the text passage you want to comment on, right-click it, and click the Add Comment button. Now imagine a senior academic reviewer tasked with evaluating a research paper submitted by a junior researcher. The junior researcher shares the document with the review access level. The senior reviewer can then add comments to highlight areas for improvement or commend good practices and suggest changes directly within the document without altering the original content. And of course, we have the full access level with all the editing features available for all the collaborators. Now, if you don't want certain people to have access to your file anymore, choose the Deny Access option from the list. Moreover, we have a special access level in the spreadsheet editor. Let's take a look at it. So we go to the Collaboration tab, click on the Sharing button, create a new external link if needed. And here we can see the custom filter option. Imagine that there are several administrators who have to work on the same spreadsheet and apply different filters to it. Not to disturb other people's actions in the file, use the custom fill option when sharing. The filters applied by a user with the custom filter permission will be displayed for them only. An external link can be embedded into your web page so that every visitor of this page can see the document. You can create several external links with different access rights and security options. So to sum up, educational institutions often deal with sensitive information, and controlling access to documents is crucial. ONLYOFFICE offers document permission settings that allow you to control who can view, edit, or comment on your documents. You can restrict access to only authorized staff members, ensuring that sensitive data remains secure. In conclusion, ONLYOFFICE editors provide a comprehensive solution for enhancing administrative workflow in educational institutions. From creating digital forms to standardizing data collection and ensuring document security, ONLYOFFICE offers a holistic approach to simplifying administrative tasks. If you have any questions, please write in the comments or email us at support@onlyoffice.com. We will be happy to answer your questions. Now, we are immensely eager and committed to ensuring that you not only grasp, but also master these indispensable tools. If you would like to discover more ONLYOFFICE functionalities, including other features and modules, we are pleased to offer our training courses. The full list of the courses can be found on our official website. Go to the Resources tab and click on the Training Course section. Here we go. So all the courses are held via Zoom in groups of up to 20 participants, ensuring that everyone's questions are addressed. The sessions are tutor-led, allowing you to join from anywhere in the world and receive tutor assistance. We provide a training portal where each participant can follow tutor steps and reproduce actions demonstrated on a shared screen. So you can choose the training course and submit your request from here. And during the session, feel free to ask as many questions as you need to clarify any confusing points. Upon completion of the training, we will send you the presentations, course recordings, and the documents with tasks for individual trainings. And of course, a certificate confirming the completion of the training course. Prices for each training course depend on the number of sessions and topics covered. Please contact us at sales@onlyoffice.com for more information. It's time to conclude our workshop. We hope you've enjoyed it. We wish you a wonderful day. Thank you for being with OnlyOffice. Bye.